Retirement should be a time to live your best life, and we're here to help you do just that. In this video, we're revealing the 3 best countries to live a happy life in retirement. Welcome to Wealthy Life, where we help you find the best countries to live and invest in the world. In our previous videos, we talked about countries with no income taxes, no property taxes, cheap real estate, safe environment, and other factors that are important for retirees. But in this video, we want to focus on what really matters in the end: living a happy life. From stunning landscapes to strong economies and welcoming communities, we've done the research to find the perfect countries for you. Stick around until the end for a bonus tip. I'm going to share with you 3 actionable tips that will help you make the most of your retirement. Sit back, relax, and get ready to pack your bags for your dream retirement destination. Sweden. First on our list is Sweden. This beautiful Scandinavian country has consistently been ranked as one of the happiest countries in the world. It has a high standard of living and is known for its strong welfare system, healthcare, and education. In fact, Sweden has one of the highest life expectancies in the world, with an average of 83 years. Retirees in Sweden have access to a social insurance program called the National Pension System. It provides a basic pension for all residents, which can be supplemented with an occupational pension. The pension amount is based on the number of years worked and the amount of contributions made. Its natural beauty, with its forests, lakes, and archipelagos, also makes it a great place to retire. Swedes are friendly, and the culture is rich and diverse. Overall, Sweden is a perfect choice for retirees who want to live a happy life. Denmark. Next up is Denmark. This country is known for its contented citizens, and has been ranked as one of the happiest countries in the world as well. Its welfare system, healthcare, and education are some of the best in the world. It has a high standard of living, with a strong economy, and it's easy to get around and explore its beautiful scenery and architecture. Retirement benefits are provided through a combination of the public pension system and workplace pensions. The public pension system provides a basic pension for all residents, while workplace pensions are often more generous and are typically paid for by employers. Its capital city, Copenhagen, is a bustling hub of art, culture, and entertainment. Retirees can enjoy a happy life in Denmark, with the added bonus of being surrounded by friendly and welcoming people. Canada. Last on our list is Canada. This vast country is known for its multiculturalism, friendly and welcoming people, and natural beauty. Canada offers great healthcare, a high standard of living, and a strong economy, making it an ideal place for retirees. According to a recent study, Canada was ranked as the 3rd happiest country in the world. Retirement benefits are provided through the public pension system called the Canada Pension Plan, CPP, or the Quebec Pension Plan, QPP, which provides a basic pension for all residents. Additionally, retirees can also receive Old Age Security, OAS, and the Guaranteed Income Supplement, GIS, based on their income level. With a wide range of outdoor activities, great food, and diverse culture, Canada is an ideal destination for retirees who want to live a happy life. Earlier in the video I said, I'm going to share with you 3 actionable tips that will help you make the most of your retirement. If you're planning to retire in one of these countries, it's important to keep in mind these recommendations. Do your research. This is an essential step to take before deciding to retire in a foreign country. Understanding the local customs, traditions, and laws can help you prepare for the move and make the transition easier. Make local friends. Making local friends can help you learn about the customs and traditions firsthand. It can also help you establish a support system and build a community in your new home. Observe and respect local customs. Observing and respecting local customs is crucial for building positive relationships with locals and avoiding cultural misunderstandings. This includes learning how to dress appropriately, following social etiquette, and observing religious customs. Now that you know where you can live a happy retirement, you might be curious about investing in a property in one of these amazing destinations. If you're looking to invest in real estate and want to know the best country to buy property, we have you covered. Check out our latest video on the top real estate investment destinations. I'll see you there.